So we've been refitting our yacht, preparing for long-term cruising, and Fisher Panda UK supplied us with a generator. And so because they do all boat solutions, we went to them for a watermaker, and they suggested the Parker Hannifin H2O ECO Watermaker, which we now had fitted. An important consideration for us was power consumption and the ability to run the yacht from green energy. So we've had solar panels, a wind generator and a hydro generator fitted. And because the power consumption of the Watermaker is so low, we can run it without starting the engine or the generator, which is good for the environment.